Here's how to set the original iPhone ringtone. So if you've accidentally changed your ringtone or it's just different and you want to get back to that default ringtone the iPhone comes with, I'll show you exactly where to change that. First, we're going to go into settings. So tap on settings and then we're going to find sound and haptics. We got to scroll down just a little bit and we're going to find that right in here. So we tap on sound and haptics and we have all of our different settings here that we can change. So ringtone is one of them. We tap on that. And you may be on a different version of the ringtones that come with the iPhone. Reflection is the default, so we tap on reflection and then tap on default. So you could be on reflection on one of these other ones. So you tap on default, your phone is actually going to play that ringtone, so don't be scared when it plays that thing out loud because your volume's all the way up or something. But that's how you can set the original ringtone on the iPhone, the one that it comes with. And so hopefully this helped you out. Leave a like on the video if it did. You can set a bunch of different tones and different alerts and ringtone alerts and stuff right here as well. I'll see you guys in the next video.